Welcome back to Dipansh Video Time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a test speed test in Python. So let's get started. Okay, so first we have to write pip install time. Yeah, only time. So we will install time. Okay, after that we can go straightly into the code. So the first thing I'm going to do is import time. Then I'll type our word or our shown word is equal to Dipansh Video Time sub to Dipansh Video Time. That will be our shown word. Then I'll print the screen. Then I'll print the string, and before that I have to put a word count. It will be equal to the length of the string of the shown word. I always get confused of the string as it's string and shown word because shown word is a string. Dot split. So if I split it, what is the length? It is asking. Then after that I can type print shown word. Shown word. Now let's do the real trick. While true. Now you might be thinking, what is the trick? It's just a while loop. But there's one secret thing about the while true while loop. It is basically the main game loop that you see in Python games. Yeah, I'm telling you. The main game loop is the while true. Okay? Okay, so let's get back to the code. Okay, so next thing I'm going to put is T0 is equal to time. So I'm going to put timer for type is equal to time dot time. Sorry for that. Then I can type input text. Input text is equal to string of the input of the question. Enter the string. Then I'm going to put timer for type 0 right over here. Then I'm going to create another one. Timer for type 1 is equal to another timer. Time dot time. Then we can set the accuracy. Main accuracy time. So why am I putting a timer from the first and a timer from the second? This timer starts from before this is put in. So it starts before we enter. This one starts after we enter. So if we minus this one with this one, or firstly this one with this one, it shows basically the remainder. So we are going to minus timer for type 1 with timer for type 2 or timer for type 0. Understand? Great. Okay, so now we can create an accuracy, as we also need an accuracy, right? So I'm going to put length of set input text dot split. Then I'm going to put and set the shown word dot split. Then I'm going to put right over here. So main accuracy. So new accuracy. This is accuracy underscore old. I'm going to put this as accuracy underscore new underscore accuracy underscore old accuracy underscore new, and then accuracy underscore new is equal to accuracy underscore old slash the word count. Okay, so after that, time taken is equal to T1 minus T0. WPM is T T0. So also with that, I forgot that I put the name for timer for type 0 minus timer for type 1. Then WPM is equal to word count divided by the time taken. So if we put the time taken right over time wait. Oh, I put time taken to be time taken. And then at the end, we can type our long prints, which is going to be firstly WPM, which is going to be WPM. Oops, let me just see this. Okay. So this is going to be WPM. Oops. Come on, WPM. Okay, great. Then I'm going to type accuracy and type accuracy underscore new right over here. Then for the next one, it is going to be the time taken. So time taken is the time taken variable. Time taken. There. Now that we have the whole thing ready, are you ready for the main thing? 3, 2, 1, run project file. Now it is saying no module file terminal. Oops, I think it just imported by itself when I write tabo. 3, 2, 1. Okay, quickly. Let me type it very badly. Then it is saying y is 0.8. And also I did a mistake right over here. This should be the other way around. Timer for type 1 minus timer for type 0. Wait, what? I I put it the other way around. Oh my god. Okay. 708756. What is it? Okay, I have to do it again. Control Control C as the keyboard interrupt. Control C to get out of the project. Then you can type again. And woohoo! We have it right over here. This is our WPM. I know it's quite slow because it's going by one percentage at the largest. So this is basically quite fast. Accuracy 1.0, time taken only 7 seconds. So I hope you like the tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, the Dipansh Video Time is out.